Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about sleep and samadhi. In Samkhya philosophy and also in Vedanta, the states of deep sleep and samadhi are equated. There are many indications in samadhi and in sleep that are almost the same. In samadhi, for example, there is no awareness of time, space and object because the ego is absent. In sleep there is also no awareness of time, space and object because the ego is withdrawn. In sleep you are perfectly calm and tranquil and there is total ananda. In samadhi there is also total ananda, but a basic difference is there. Whereas in samadhi the ego has been eradicated, in sleep it is only withdrawn for the time being. In sleep the ego hibernates, so to say, but in samadhi the ego is consumed in toto. Therefore, after samadhi there is no revival of ego, but after sleep there is continuous revival. Also, in samadhi there is total inner awareness because the self, the atman, is effulgent. In sleep, however, there is only a trace of inner awareness, and the atman or self is not within the range of cognition. That is why sleep is considered as a hibernative condition and samadhi as chaitanya, the blissful state of conscious awareness.